Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CR-V car battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, make sure your Honda CR-V is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure battery replacement. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign, and disconnect it first. This prevents accidental short circuits. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, typically marked with a plus sign. Finally, carefully remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the old battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure good contact. Then, carefully place your new battery securely into the battery tray, making sure it fits snugly. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This reverse order of disconnection is crucial for proper electrical flow. You're almost done. Now, tighten all terminal connections firmly to prevent any loose contact, which could cause electrical issues. For extended battery life and to prevent corrosion, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your Honda CR-V to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly and that your vehicle powers on without any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.